Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality article submission backlink, and also you guys will do another thing on that website, kind of bookmarking. So the website name is isinarticle.com. So this is a website dashboard. So before that we can show something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 50, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 34, and the spam score is only 4%. And according to similar web, this website drawing 27.7k traffic, and mostly traffic from India, Uganda, Turkey, Nigeria and Russia. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, to must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, so we have completed our research process, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so you can see top of the corner menu bar, top of the menu section, there is a login and register button. You can click over them, and there is a sign up button. You can click now, there now, and there you guys can add your username. So username is DML training, and there you guys can fill your email ID, and you guys can choose your password. So for the password I can choose whatever, DML profile details. Then you guys can click for the complete sign up button, and this website can send you a verification email. So now we can check our email ID. So I received a email. I received email in the spam folder. Okay, so let me copy this URL and I can paste it over there. And this is your activation key. So you can simply click on activate button, and you guys can see that your account is now active. You guys can click on login button, and you guys can enter your profile details. Simply you guys can click on edit profile button, but I guess you guys cannot make any changes in the profile section because there are email address of new user, and this is a setting panel, but there you guys cannot change anything. Visibility is name everyone, description Facebook. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So once you guys can create your profile, so simply you guys can click on submit a post button, and there you guys can add your title. So right now I don't have a fresh article, so I'm just using my website content. But if you guys can going to do article submission on that website, so must you guys can choose you guys can create a fresh and the quality article. Then you guys can going to publish your content on that website, because this website can review your post first, then will be going to approve your content. So that's why you guys can create a fresh content. DML training, then we can add our content over there. Let me copy all the things and I can paste it. I have copied all the things, and what I can do next, so do follow backlink for your website, do follow profile backlinks, and if you guys can wanting to insert anywhere hyperlink, so you guys can select your keyword and you can click to add your website URL. So there I can add my website URL and I can make it, and if you wanting to you can make it bold, so this is clearly visible for any user. And after that what we can do next is you guys can add a thumbnail. So thumbnail image is this, and you guys can click to choose image button and the image is added. You cannot link more than 4 links. Okay, so and there you guys can choose your category is insurance, food and drink, education, businesses, kind of education. Then you guys can add your tags over there. So do follow backlink. Then you guys can verify your captcha and you can click on submit button, and your content is submitted. They will be take a couple of time to review your content and they will going to publish your article. Make it public your article for everyone. Okay, so this is a process for the article submission on that websites, and what you guys can do next in this site. So let me show you guys. Edit your profile, and you guys can see there is another thing. Suppose that if you guys can publish any article, so what you guys can do next, if you wanting to create a profile, sorry, uh, a bookmarking kind of backlinks, so simply you guys can copy your title and you guys can paste it over there, and you guys can copy your short content and you can paste it over there. And if you wanting, so there is no any option to, you guys can insert any kind of a hyperlink, but the thing is you guys can only create updates about your anything, so what you guys are doing or any new things are in market. So simply on that website you guys can do two things. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from my side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.